Using GoDaddy involves several steps to manage your domain name, website hosting, and other online services. Here's a simplified guide. Domain registration. Sign into your GoDaddy account or create one if you're a new user. Search for available domain names and register the one you want. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process and purchase your domain. Website hosting. If you want to host a website, select a hosting plan that suits your needs. GoDaddy offers various hosting options, including shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and dedicated servers. Choose the plan that best fits your requirements and purchase it. Website Builder. GoDaddy provides a website builder tool that allows you to create a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. Choose a template, customize it with your content and images, and publish your site. Email services. Set up professional email addresses using your domain name with GoDaddy's email hosting services. Configure email forwarding, autoresponders, and spam filters as needed. Additional services. Explore other services offered by GoDaddy, such as SSL certificates, online marketing tools, and website security solutions to enhance your online presence and security. Support and resources. Take advantage of GoDaddy's customer support resources, including tutorials, documentation, and live chat assistance to help you navigate and troubleshoot any issues you encounter.